Are your localized file system orchestration apps crashing due to the Delete-Files Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we dive into the Delete-Files library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Delete-Files library, a generic naming convention used by several non-standard PC cleanup or uninstaller tools to house their localized secure deletion logic. Because it manages low-level file removal, it is frequently quarantined by antivirus software. If deleted, the parent cleanup utility will report a shell hook failure. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because Delete-Files Library DLL is an embedded file used by localized file system orchestration, it cannot be repaired by standard Windows tools, and you should download the latest version of the affected software to restore the missing library automatically. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Delete-Files library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Remember that Delete-Files Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references Configuration Considerations for Delete-Files Library. If this fix repaired Delete-Files Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.